WordPress has two main types of published content: posts and pages. And though most of the time you want a uniform appearance for each content type, there are times when you want certain pages to look a bit different. In 2012, you already have two custom page templates that change the presentation of the pages they're enabled on. You can see them when you go into a page. To edit it, here on the side, under Page Attributes, you have a section called Template, and under here you have the default template, and if you drop it down, you also have a front page template and a full width page template with no sidebar. If you activate one of these, say the front page template, and update the page, and then view the page, you'll see that the page template looks quite different. It's full width, and if we go to Appearance and Widgets, and add widgets to the first front page widget area, let's add recent comments, recent posts, and maybe categories, and reload this page with the custom front page template activated, you'll see we now get these widgets here at the bottom. The custom front page template is meant to be used on the front page. We can also activate the full width template. I'll go back and edit the page, change the template to full width page with no sidebar, and then view the page. And you see we now have full width, but we don't have those extra sidebar elements. Instead, we have comments at the bottom. Or I can switch back to the default and again view the page. And now we have the standard look with the content on the left and the sidebar on the right. You can create your own page templates to produce specific results on specific pages. I use this technique quite often because not all pages should be displayed the same way. Sometimes I want to add extra meta information or some other information, or maybe I want to remove something like removing the page title. The reasons for creating custom page templates are endless, and fortunately, they're very easy to make. If we look at the theme folder for 2012, you'll notice that there's a folder under the theme folder called Page Templates. And it is inside this Page Templates folder you find the page templates, front page and full width. You don't have to put your page templates in a subfolder, and if you do, you have to tell your theme that that's what you did. The reason why they did it for 2012 was to create a more structured and organized theme. If we want to create a custom page template for ourselves, we can do it in a very simple way. I'll open my 2012 theme here on the left and my child theme here on the right. And then I'll go and find my page template. It's here. And copy it over into my child theme. And then I'm going to change the title of my page template. So I'll just give it a different name. I'll say no title page. Now I'm going to open it in my code editor. Now I have to tell WordPress that this is a custom page template. The way I do that is I add a comment at the top. So I'm going to remove the comment that's already here. And then I'm going to add a comment. And in here, I'm simply going to type template, name, and then give it a new name. And the name should be very descriptive, so it'll be no title page template. All I now have to do is save this new page template with this comment at the top, and I can go back into WordPress, edit the page, go to template, and you see we now have no title page template as an option. I'll update my page, view the page, and you see nothing changed. That's because I haven't actually changed my page template yet. Now I want to make changes to the content in my page template. But when I go back to my code editor and I look at the page template, I notice that the content of the page isn't actually in the page template. You see, instead, we have this function called getTemplatePart that calls a file called content-page. So what I need to do is get the content from content-page and put it in first. I'll go back to my parent theme, and this time I'm simply going to find that content-page template, open it, copy out all the content, and then replace the call here, get template part, with that content I copied out. Now, all I have to do is find where the title is. It's right here, header class, entry header, and then entry title. And I'll delete it, save my custom page template, reload my page, and now I have a page with no title. The custom page template is an often overlooked tool in the WordPress theme arsenal that allows you to create customized experiences for your visitors in a very simple way. The best way to get the most out of a custom page template is to simply start experimenting. And remember, there are no limits here. If the information exists, you can display it.